welcome to my channel Flying Beach. So before we start this video, please like and subscribe. So today we have two dishes. So what are we making today, Rana?
See, today we have got chicken. So we'll do one thing. Since you like chicken fry, we'll have a few pieces of chicken fry and a chicken semi gravy.
That's a few pieces.
Only 4 pieces.
Piece.
Okay, for that we will have all these things. Come on, let's start one by one. Okay.
Right. So we are going to be cracking some eggs. 2 spoons
Of chicken kebab. One. Slow.
One more. Can you put one more?
Yeah. What are you going to put?
So crushed garlic.
Garlic, yeah.
This
Yes,
much?
yeah, that is enough. Okay, make it fast. And some ginger powder. If no, not that. That is too much.
How would this go?
Yes, that is sufficient. Okay. Okay. Now we'll add a bit of yogurt. Little more. Little more.
One more. Yeah.
Little more. Okay. Now take another spoon. Keep the spoon there. 1 minute. And we are going to add half teaspoon of ghee.
Yeah.
Okay. Now come on. Now it's your job to mix it well.
You have to mix it with this spoon?
Yeah, you can use that properly. Okay.
So we are done mixing it.
Done. Okay. Now it's your turn to. Okay. Keep the spoon there itself. Okay. Now take 1 piece of chicken.
Oh, we have to dip it. I'm going to make a fry.
Yeah. One that. Yes, that piece. Okay. Just put it there. Okay. One more over there.
Over.
That one. Yeah. This one.
This one?
Yeah. Okay. I'll tell you. Make it fast. Doing like a duck. Okay. The other one. Yes. Yeah.
It's so cold.
Okay. The other leg piece. Your favorite. Okay. Now mix it again slowly.
Curries.
What
Because
curry?
We need to put some gravy on top. We need to bath it with gravy.
What do you mean
because
by
it's
bath
taking a bath with the gravy.
Taking a bath?
Yeah.
Then you need to have some shower gel and everything. Okay. So
This is we already made a bathtub for this guys.
So the masala is shower gel. Okay. So guys, we have used chicken kebab powder for this, and we have added a bit of garlic powder, ginger powder, a bit of ghee and yogurt. Okay. And let's keep it aside for some time. Let it get settled.
Guys, it's up. Now we are supposed to fry it. It's done meditating. Like nicely.
Okay. Now it's been marinated for I think around half an hour.
Yeah.
And our chicken is ready, and chicken is asking Elioria, come on, please fry me.
We are gonna fry you. Wait.
First heat the pan. It's already heated, and now oil. Little more. Enough, I believe. Yes. Okay. Yes. No, don't throw.
I'm throwing. So let's take this piece right here. Oh, this is a leg.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Yeah.
Slowly. Yeah.
Like that.
Okay.
This is gonna be a little harder.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
One more to go.
Yeah.
Wait. Chicken.
No hand. Okay. Close the lid slowly. Yeah. That's done now. Let it
It's
fry for some 5 or 10 minutes. Then we'll check later.
Gone. Who are always busy and they have 5 minutes time, they can make this chicken fry.
Oh. Okay, I already flipped it, okay? I flipped the chicken. See, our chicken is getting ready. It's almost done. Okay.
Stay far.
Get your cut down.
See?
Yeah, okay.
Can you take it out now?
Not now, and just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, turn it off. Enough. Okay, it's time to taste now. Just let it cool down. No, don't close it.
Okay. So now we are going to take it out. Put it on the plate right here. Ooh. Very good.
Very good, ghee. Okay, now can you try that chicken?
Okay.
In hand. Use a hand. Your favorite leg piece. Hot? Hot or ghee?
Very soft. The crunchy part is very soft.
Soft ghee. How is the taste?
I love the chicken fry.
Okay, very good. I'm glad. All done.
So guys, please, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and plus you can tell us in the comment section below.
Okay, also tell them to try this recipe at home.
Eat healthy, stay safe, live long. Bye.
Bye.